Today we're going to show you how to make a basic survival kit. What you put in your survival kit will depend on where you're going. A 5-day backpacking trip in a mountain area will be very different than a survival kit that you leave in your car in the wintertime. The criteria we're using today is lightweight, compact, and inexpensive. Many of these items you have around your household. We want these to easily fit into a backpack that you could use on a day hike. We're using a lunchbox to hold our survival kit because they're readily available and fairly cheap. Signaling whistle. A signal whistle will help people hear and find you. In a survival situation, you would blow this in a series of 3 blasts. I'm just going to blow it once for the demonstration. Ziplock bags. Ziplock bags will help you keep your stuff organized and dry. It will also help you transport water. Survival blanket. A survival blanket can be found in most camping stores. This will help trap your body heat. Instead of carrying a sleeping bag, this thing will fold out to being 7 feet long and 3 feet wide, and you can climb inside to help you keep warm. Soup can. Duct tape, garbage bag. Creativity is your ally. Most of these things have a primary purpose, but a lot of them have a secondary one. This soup can is used to boil water. Duct tape wrapped around the outside keeps it nice and compact. This could be used to close a wound, to fix a broken shoe, could be used to repair a tent, and your garbage bag could be used as an emergency rain jacket. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil has a lot of different uses. It can be used to cook. It could also be used to boil water. It could also be used as a signaling device. Fishing line, fishing hooks. Knife. Waterproof matches. Candle. This is our fire unit. Fire is a very important tool. It can help you to stay warm, it can help you to boil water, and it can also help you get found. Having fireproof matches is a really good idea, and then having a candle. A candle is going to stay lit a lot longer than that match. Having a secondary way to start fire is important. This is a magnesium match. You would scrape the magnesium off and then use this striking surface to fall on that tinder. Our tinder we would use is toilet paper and dryer lint. Compass. Compass is a very important tool. Learn how to use it. First aid cream, Band-Aids. First aid cream and Band-Aids. String and wire. Again, the importance of creativity, wire and string. Health and emergency contacts. Having your name, phone number, and any medical information that you have needs to go in your survival kit. Having the survival kit isn't going to guarantee your survival, but it will greatly increase your chances.